Hello, welcome to the kitchen. I'm Chef Noah. Chef Emma is behind the camera. Today we'll be making miso ginger broth potato bok choy udon or Asian noodle soup. It's very simple, it's very delicious. What do you need? Trader Joe's miso ginger broth, some corn. You could boil it off the cob or you can just buy it in a can. Bok choy, a very large potato or a couple small potatoes, optional mushrooms, a block of udon noodles, or some of these dry rice type noodles. Peel a potato and chop it into small cubes. Take a carrot and chop it into small pieces. Pour all of the broth into a pot over the stove. Ignite and allow to boil. While the broth reaches the boiling point, chop up the bok choy. Remember, add a lot of bok choy. Once the broth is boiling, open it up and quickly put the potatoes in. The potatoes are a crucial step. They will release starch into the broth and give it a nice silty, full feeling body. If you must, put this back on there until it's boiling again.
There's not enough broth for all the noodles that you want to put in the soup, along with other elements of the soup. What you can do is kind of create more broth using water, miso paste, and soy sauce. I'll add some water, a generous scoop of miso, just a dash of soy sauce.
Now, before we add the noodles and the other items, we should take a sample potato. That's pretty good. We can add the corn. Put them in the pot. Wait till the very end of the boil to add the bok choy. You don't want them to get too soggy and floppy. If you're using the dry noodles, you should have placed them in here a few minutes ago. But if you're using the frozen udon noodles, run them under some warm water in the sink, then drop them in the pot. These should take about 1 minute. The dinner is ready. Make sure to get some noodles. Search for some bok choy as well, mushrooms, and don't forget to dig deep for potato. Scoop up some broth. Make sure to get some kernels of corn. What do you think?
It's delicious. The broth is bright and savory. I like the pop of sweetness with the corn. The potato absorbs the taste of the broth, which is really delicious. And I love these udon noodles.
I would gladly keep eating it. I will definitely make it again. The udon noodle is fun to slurp. The potato, I like how you bite it and it sort of dissolves. I wish there was more bok choy, and I agree the corn livens it up. Thanks for watching the video.